There's no two ways about it. A weekly close through the 200-week moving average means we're probably going lower. That's a pretty clear, conclusive sign there. It's just been a slow bleed and slow grind through that level. Unfortunately, we just could not hold through that region. I'll just zoom right in so we can see 200-week moving average, big engulfing close through it. That's not good. We could maybe in the short term see a run back to 62.5, maybe a close back through. That's the ideal situation to have from this point in time, where we just roll back above here, close somewhere in here, and then climb up. But that looks a little bit iffy, particularly when you see what traditional markets look like at the moment too, where there's a lot of the big names like Tesla and others and Nvidia, they're all rolling over. A lot of them don't look that great. They look like they're actually putting in tops, not maybe a cycle top, but they're looking like they're ready for a largish correction. We'll look at that in a sec. But my eyes are really glued to these areas down here. The realized price at 53,000 and the long-term holder realized price. So the realized price, just in simple terms, is the average cost basis of Bitcoin investors. It includes Satoshi's coins. That sits at 53,000. Hitting that there would put us into the extreme oversold valuations on some of these on-chain metrics. It really thrust us into those levels, and that's an area where you go, yeah, I need to go in here. If I'm convicted on Bitcoin going higher in the medium to longer term, this is an area where I want to buy pretty hard. This is like being down at 15,000, like being down at 12,000 or something back in FTX. I do firmly believe we're at the real back end of this cycle. We are really at the bottom levels, and if we just again look at the monthly and the weekly momentum RSIs, we are at these kind of areas where people panic. They do stupid things and they think we're going down lower than they think we do, because there's no feeling of upside. It feels almost dead. Monthly RSI, we're down to FTX. Like this is the area, guys. We're now down to 40. So we've gotten even deeper in this depression. This is what you want to see as an investor, because it looks like all hope is lost. And that's where we get really, really interested. Now, if we go to the weekly, the divergence is getting stronger. So we've got the momentum picking up, trying to base here. If we get a high low, that would be fantastic.
Hi guys, thanks for watching this short clip of my Monday market update. The full version covers 20, 30 minutes, however long it goes. I look at the entire market, what I'm seeing, opportunities for investors, and that drops every single Monday to your email and also into the Discord. If that is something you want, as well as Altcoin Bible, Talking Crypto, Thinking Rich, bi-weeklies, workshops, which we run every single month for all our mastermind investors, make sure to click the link below and have a quick chat with Elliot to see if you're right for the mastermind level, and then we can level up and you can have Joe and I on the call with you every week.